Today we're diving into the Honeywell Ademco 6160V talking alpha display keypad, a standout in the realm of home security. This sleek device boasts a wireless connection, making it a breeze to integrate into any smart home setup. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, while the white color option adds a touch of modernity to your decor. What sets this keypad apart is its talking alpha display, which provides clear, audible alerts and notifications, enhancing accessibility for all users. Whether you're an iPhone aficionado or prefer other devices, the 6160V is designed to be compatible across different platforms, ensuring flexibility in use. Installation is straightforward, even for those less inclined towards DIY projects. Once set up, navigating the keypad is intuitive, thanks to its user-friendly interface. It seamlessly integrates with existing Honeywell security systems, providing robust functionality without overwhelming users with unnecessary complexities. In terms of performance, the 6160V impresses with its reliable communication and responsive feedback. The alpha display not only shows system statuses, but also articulates them audibly, adding an extra layer of assurance in monitoring your home security status. Overall, the Honeywell Ademco 6160V talking alpha display keypad stands out as a top choice for those seeking a wireless, user-friendly security solution. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or starting fresh, its blend of functionality, ease of use, and ergonomic design make it a compelling option in today's market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.